This is asking how did you take the derivative of x squared minus 3x minus 7 all times 2x plus 4? Well, the simple way to do it is you would distribute. So you do 2x times all of this, and you get 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 14x. Then you do the same thing with the 4 to all of these. So you get plus 4x squared minus 12x minus 28. So you can see it's very tedious. I'll finish the job, but I really don't want to. I wish there were a quicker way. So here we have 2x cubed. This was an x squared the whole time. The x squareds go to negative 2x squared minus 26x minus 28. Finally, we're ready to take the derivative of this thing. We end up with 6x squared minus 4x minus 26. That was long. I wish there were a quicker way. Whoa, there totally is a quicker way. Alright, so basically the rule is if you have two functions being multiplied by each other, there's a rule of taking their derivatives quickly. So in our case we have the x squared minus 3x minus 7 multiplied by the 2x plus 4. And the rule is you take the derivative of the first, multiply it by the original second, and then you add the original first one times the derivative of the second. So derivative 1 times 2 plus 1 times derivative of 2. So here, let's work that out. So the first part, this is our f of x here. This is our g of x. So the derivative is going to be f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. So the derivative of the first one is easy. We can just find it here if you want and make it quicker. Here, f prime of x is 2x minus 3, and g prime of x is 2. So with this we have 2x minus 3 times g of x, 2x plus 4, plus regular f of x is x squared minus 3x minus 7 times g of x, which is 2. So all that's left to do now is distribute here. So we'll have 2x gets 4x squared plus 4 is plus 8x minus 6x minus 12. And then plus we distribute the 2 on this one. We have 2x squared minus 6x minus 14. So now we just combine the like terms here. Sorry, 2x squared. I don't know where these are coming from. So we have 6x squared. Let's see, that goes to 2x. And then this is negative 6x, so we have negative 4x. And then we have negative 12 and negative 14, which means negative 26. Which, of course, is exactly what we got with the brain starter, except it included a lot less distributing. When you have to distribute some 3-term, 4-term things, it gets really messy, and the product rule makes things a lot quicker. Alright, now we have to find the derivative of x cubed minus 2x plus 7 all times 3x squared minus 5. So we can start by labeling this as our f of x, this is our g of x, and we can find the derivatives of these. So f prime of x is 3x squared minus 2, and g prime of x is just 6x. So now let's write the formula and start plugging things in. So f prime of x is 3x squared minus 2 times g of x, which is 3x squared minus 5, plus f of x, x cubed minus 2x plus 7, all times g of x, which is just 6x. Now we can distribute 9x to the 4th minus 15x squared minus 6x squared plus 10. Then plus, we're just going to distribute 6x to all of this. We get 6x to the 4th minus 12x squared plus 42x. Now we'll just combine like terms and we're done. And that's our derivative using the product rule.